I'm going to show you how to make smoked chicken wings on your smoker or your Traeger or your pellet grill. If you're a fan of chicken wings, then this recipe is definitely for you. So first I start with 3 pounds of split chicken wings along with my homemade barbecue seasoning and rub. You can use any rub you like. Grab your favorite rub. I like to toss that over the wings, and I make sure that both sides of the wings are fully coated in spices and the rub. That will ensure optimal flavor of these wings. And once those wings are nice and well seasoned, I'm going to add these on my smoker at 225 degrees. I smoke these for about 2 hours. In general, you want to make sure that your chicken reaches an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees. So after 2 hours, these have reached around that temperature of 165. Then I crank up my temperature to 350 degrees because I like crispy wings as well. Crispy wings along with that nice smoky flavor. It's the best combination in my opinion. So once these have reached the appropriate internal temperature of 165, I crank it up to 350, smoke these for an additional 15 to 30 minutes just to get them nice and crispy, get a little char on those wings. These are so delicious and easy to make.